5,000 divided by 126.
Okay, take the calculator. I want you to help me. So I take 5,000 Rand, I divide it by 126 Rand.
Yes.
How many shares are we going to own?
39.6 rounded off to 40.
40 shares.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So can you see here, and I'm going to put it in a different color just to be fancy.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in blue. Can you see here that now what I do is you own 40 shares there at 126 Rand. Can you see that the share price went up to 134?
Yes.
You understand when it gets to 134, I still own 40 shares.
Yes, correct.
The number of shares that I have, that has not changed. Am I right?
Yes.
So now I have 40 shares. And how much did we say are these shares now worth?
134.
So to see how much money I have, what must I do?
Multiply by 134.
Okay, so let's do that. And you tell me how much money I have.
5,317.
5,317.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions now. 5 questions that I've asked you before. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
What is your profit?
317.
317 Rand.
Correct.
Okay. How long did it take you?
It took me maybe a few hours a day.
Let me ask you, Nathi, in the bank, what was my profit?
For the day or for the year?
For the year.
It was 300 Rand.
Here in one day, you made more money than you made here in a year.
Come to think of it, yeah, true. Much more.
What would you prefer?
Definitely that one, the trading shares.
Okay. There in the bank you started with 5,000, here you started with?
Same amount.
Same amount?
Yes.
Someone like you, what can you do with 317 Rand that you've made in a day compared to 82 cents?
A lot, eh? Save up for the Friday, do something on the Saturday.
Yeah.
You can even invest it, and as I mentioned earlier on.
Okay, important question. If you understand that there will be days that you'll make more profits than this?
Yes, because of the markets, as you showed me, markets go up and down.
You also understand there's days that maybe you won't do that well?
I understand that, yes. I can see that. As you
I want to do an interesting exercise. Let's say you can make on average 317 Rand per day. How many working days is there in a week?
21.
In a week?
In a week. Well, in a week it's only 5.
So clear your calculator for me.
Okay.
Put 317 Rand in there.
Okay.
And multiply it by 5 working days to see the kind of money that you'll make in a week.
Yeah, 1,585. 1,585.
In a week?
In a week, yeah.
Okay, you understand I can't promise you this money.
I understand.
You know, I can only say to you it's possible if you do your part.
That's true.
You understand you won't make money if you trade.
I understand.
You understand you won't make money if you don't gain the knowledge.
Yeah, 100%, yeah.
Okay, let me show you something interesting. Let's say you can make that 317 Rand per day. How many trading days in a month?
Counting out Saturdays and Sundays, is what, 21 days?
So take the 317 Rand,
okay,
multiply it by 21.
Yeah, 6,657. Wow.
And that's in a week or a month?
In a month, yes.
Okay, so let me take my razor, take it out. That's the money you'll make for a month.
Correct.
Clear the calculator. 317 Rand per day.
Yes.
Multiply by 21 days.
Yes.
Multiply by 12 months.
12 months. 79,884.
Let me ask you something interesting here. I actually want you to make a choice for me here, Nathi. Do you want to put 5,000 Rand in the bank and make 300 Rand per annum? Or do you want to trade with 5,000 Rand and have the possibility of making 79,000 bucks for the year?
Definitely. 79,884.
Are you serious?
Definitely. Very serious. Definitely.
Sure.
There's nothing you can do 300 Rand.
Can I show you something interesting?
Yes.
Let's say you go back to the bank. You didn't start with 5,000. You started with 50. Can you see I'm going to add a 0?
Yes.
Then you'll add zeros everywhere. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Am I correct to say then you're going to make 8.20 per day?
Yes, correct.
So my question to you is, if I say to you, give me 50,000 bucks and I'm going to give you 8.20 a day, what are you going to tell me?
I'll send a gunman for you or something. I'll tell you to fuck off. I'll be no lie.
Okay. But you've just told me not so long ago that that's where you keep your money in the bank.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I show you something else?
Yeah.
Let's go to this practical trade and we say you didn't have 5,000, you started with 50, so I add a 0, am I right? What happens now?
Is that really true? It is
Well, you
true.
did the calculation.
Yeah,
Did
it
you
is
did you
true.
cheat me, or are you
No.
sure you did it right?
It's correct, yeah, it's true. That looks lovely.
Nathi, I want to summarize it. What do you want? Do you want your money to stay in the bank and make you this kind of money?
Never.
Or do you want to make that kind of money
I want that
practically
kind of
trading
money.
the market?
Practical trades all the way.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay, let's talk about the
100%.
reality.
Yes.
Right now, as you sit there, can you make this money?
It's just a dream, yeah, nothing.
Why can't you make it?
I don't have the knowledge, I don't have the expertise, for example, like the trades that you told me about. So that you
Okay,
can send
what do
me
you
all that.
need to do today to get onto the road to start making that kind of money?
I need to get you guys involved. That's the only thing I can do.
I'm going to say welcome on board as the new client of mine. What I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
do now is I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
explain to you exactly what you're going to get as a client,
Yes, sir.
and then I'm going